Okay, so check this out. See these little roses? You know what those are? Those are poached eggs. Isn't that cool? Yep, those are poached eggs. Anyway, my neighbor Jan gave me this silicone, whatever she called it. She called it an ice tray, so I don't know. But look at the lid. You put the lid on there and it's got like little steam vents, 4 of them. So I figured, yeah, you could poach eggs in here. And what do you know? I put just a little dab of butter in the bottom of each one of these. Melted it, swished it around so the eggs wouldn't stick, but they stuck a little bit anyway. Especially when it got up and around here. I didn't put the butter there though. Anyway, stuck them in the microwave for about a minute and a half. And they fluffed up, and I just took the lid off and flipped them upside down into the bowl, and this is what you see. Pretty fancy, huh? Oh yeah, and you got to check out what else Jan gave me. I don't know what in the world she called these, but they look like little bird's nest with candies in them. They're like they're snacks. I think she called it baklava, though I don't imagine that's what baklava is supposed to look like traditionally. But they're yummy. I just thought that was super inventive. And these here, yeah, I'm getting ready to murder them eggs. See ya. Bye, Cam. Say bye, Cam. Cam. Bixie, say bye. Brick, say bye.